Good morning, everybody. This is Ed Carter with Trader Vision 2020, and this is the trade setup and plan for Monday, June 11th, 2018. Today's featured trade idea is MTSI, Maycom Technology. As you can see, we've had a long-term downtrend that has now formed a bottom and reversed. We've had a nice little uptrend here for a month or so. Recently we formed a J-hook, and the last couple days of last week we broke through this resistance level at the beginning of this gap. If we go to the weekly chart, you see that we have a pretty defined resistance area here, which is at the beginning of that gap, and then another one a little bit higher. Lots of touches in there. That defines a second level. Let's go back to the daily. I've put in a buy box essentially around Friday's candle with a buy somewhere in there, looking for ideally a mid-place buy. As you see, the stock tends to retrace the previous day's candles as a intraday startup to a continued move upward. We'll have our stop down below the box and a buy in there someplace. That first target again up here at the fill of the gap, and the second target up here about where the 200 SMA is. That is up around a little over $30. So let's open up Trader Vision, see if we can't fill out a trade. MTSI. Looks like earnings are out of the way. We've got 6 bullish indications on our favor and not a bearish indication in sight. Let's go ahead and plan. Let's change this to $150 risk, and let's go ahead and plan this. Let's just say that mid place of that box, let's call it 24.30. Is the buy we could get. Let's put a first target in here of 28.55, something like that. 28.55. A second target up here about 30.05. 6 cents less than that line I dropped. And our stop down here, about 23.65. I think it's about right. Yeah, 23.65. It says that we can do 230 shares. Let's make that 250. Ooh, that's a little bit steep for this account. So let's back that back down to 200 and see where that puts us. Well, let's assume that we could do that for the moment. If we made that first target, if we sold the entire position at that target, we would clear $850, making the 17.5%, giving us 6.5 to 1 on that risk. But if we sell the remainder, if we raise our stop and sell our remainder at this second target here, which is the 200 today, we would pull in another $575 for a cool $1,000 on a $130 risk for this trade, and that I will take every day of the week. So that would make the overall trade almost 7.7 to 1 reward to risk. So that will be our trade idea for today. MTSI, I want you to evaluate it. See if it fits your trading style and your criteria. I wish you good trading and good luck in the markets. We'll hopefully see you in the trading room.